Hello everyone, I hope everyone had a great weekend and a happy Easter. Today's videos we're going to be talking about triangles, trig functions, and how to solve sides and angles using trig functions. This videos will help you get through exercise 5 and as well homework number 5. So before we get started, we're going to talk about the right triangle. The right triangle is a triangle that has a 90-degree angle as one of its angles. And so it's usually depicted just like this. That just means that I have one side that's going down, another side that's going up. So that's a right triangle. So some characteristics of a right triangle, of course, the main one is one angle is equal to 90 degrees. Of course, another thing is, this is true for every triangles, the sum of all angles equals 180 degrees. So if I find what's the measurement of this angle, find the measurement of this angle, and of course this one's 90, if I add them all up, it should equal to 180 degrees. And the last thing, one of the characteristics also of a right triangle is the side opposite from the right angle is a hypotenuse. Now what I mean by that is, this is my right angle, if I go opposite, this is going to be my hypotenuse. And of course, the hypotenuse is the longest side of the right triangle. Okay. Now, when we're working on right triangles, especially in this class, we have to label our sides and our angles. And this is just a basic labeling of a right triangle. We got angle A, B, and C. Now, my letters are going to be my sides. Side A, side B, and side C. Now how this is labeled is whatever angle, whatever side is opposite from the angle is going to be that letter. What I mean by that is, since this is my angle B, it's opposite from this angle, it's going to be side B. Since this is angle A, side opposite from this angle is going to be side A. And of course, since my 90-degree angle, or my right angle, is going to be angle C, its side opposite is going to be side C. And the reason why we use this is, if you remember Pythagorean theorem, when elementary or middle school, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. They always say c squared because that's the hypotenuse. So I just want to keep it relevant just with that. So nothing we have to talk about is the reference angle. The definition of a reference angle is a positive, acute angle that can represent an angle at any measurement. Thing about acute angles are angles that are less than 90 degrees. So what I mean by reference angle is what angle are we using to find a measurement or to find something. So your reference angles can be either this angle right here or this angle. And these two angles can flip-flop. This can be angle B, this can be angle A. But these two are reference angles. One key note is the 90-degree angle, or the right angle, can never be a reference angle. That is key important. So the sides of the right triangle. There are 3 sides to the right triangle that we're going to be using and talking about a lot in this class. We have the side opposite, side adjacent, and side hypotenuse. Notice I have my triangles labeled. This is angle B, angle A, angle B, and angle C. Side opposite from angle A is going to be side A. Side opposite from angle B is going to be side B. Side opposite from angle C, or my right angle, is going to be side C. But we're going to be labeling these sides of the right triangle. And I'll stop right there and I'll present the next video on the sides of the triangle.